Thank you, Ninja. That felt so good. Probably gas will do that to me. Excuse me. No, it doesn't hurt. If anything, it makes my stomach like jumped up, and so I have to stop after a while. Shit. Excuse me. It's alright. Excuse me.